So I'm going to try and make this little video which is showing you the new layout for pipes for our septic tank and the new filter bed. So pipes are going in here, that's the one coming from our main house, and in here that's coming from our gate, and it's right through the centre of our orchard. Although I've got to say, the guys doing the work have been great. The rest of the orchard, which is away around the corner there, is fine. And of course it's going to continue tomorrow, so we'll see how it gets on. But this is only the trenches for the pipes, and there's already an awful lot of soil to get rid of. Here's the plan. So you can see they've got to put a vent up the side of the house, pipe going down to the septic tank, and then the air vent coming back up, and the septic tank filter bed should go about there. So we'll see how that goes. Hey folks, sorry to interrupt your viewing, but if you're enjoying this video, I'd like to ask you to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get as many subscribers as we can in order to monetize it, which will free up time for us to make more videos that you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Hi everyone and welcome back. This, as you can see, is our young orchard area, and this, just literally a month ago, was where we had the new filter bed for our septic tank system put in. These are the air vents and rodding points and stuff like that for it, and you can see that the ground has really settled in well, and the grass seed that we've put on, just ignore those brown bits, that was a mole run there, but it's taken really well in most parts. This bit, I don't know why, but for some reason we seem to have kind of missed this with the grass seed, but it is coming, and I'm quite happy with that.